Okay, see this question, we have E vector is y I cap plus x j cap. We have to find the flux through each face of the cube. Here you can see we have a cube of side L. Okay, so we need to find the flux one by one through each face, but let's go to the simplest one first. Our electric field is only along x axis and y axis. Okay, x axis and y axis. There's no component along z axis. So for this face, okay, and the face on the back side, okay, they will have zero flux because electric field is along the two faces and not perpendicular to them. So flux through CDHG, okay, that is this phase, and flux through BAEF, that will be zero. All right, now let's find the flux through this phase, that is ABCD. Let's draw it separately. A, B, C, and D. All right, so for flux through this phase we only need the field along x-axis. Now at a height y, I will take a thin strip, okay, of thickness dy. Fine. And the electric field is going into the plane. Why? Because field is y I cap. Y is positive. So field is also in positive x direction. So it is going inwards. So we will get negative flux. Now for the flux through the strip, d phi will be what? Electric field Ex into area of the strip dA. So Ex is how much? Y, and area dA is what? Length L into height dy. So L into dy. This is the flux d phi. So phi will be what? L integration y dy, and limits will be you're going from y equal to 0 to y equal to L, correct? You're going from y equal to 0 to y equal to L. So you will get this to be equal to integration of y dy will give you y square by 2. Putting the limits, you will get L square by 2. So L square by 2 into L will give you L cube by 2. This is the flux through ABCD. Now, if you observe something, for the phase EFGH, electric field is again having the same formula y I cap. Okay, so EFGH will also have the same flux, exactly same flux. This will also be equal to flux through EFGH. Okay, now we have to find flux through BCGF and ADHE. Again, field is going like this, so they will have same flux. Yeah, one more thing. I'm sorry. Uh, let's write it separately. Flux through this phase EFGH. EFGH. Here field is going into the box, but here the field is coming out of the box, positive x direction. Okay, so flux through ABCD will be negative. I need to put a minus sign over here. Minus L cube by 3. While flux through the EFGH will be plus L cube by 2. This will be negative, this will be positive. Here field is going into the plane. Okay, here field is going inwards, negative flux. Here field is coming outwards, so positive flux. Same over here also. For BCGF, field is coming outwards, so positive flux. While for ADHE, field is going into the box, so negative flux. So let's find through BCFG first. Okay, so here we draw the face. So BCFG. Okay, and we have x axis in this direction. This is the x axis. So now I take at a distance x, I take an element in the face. Okay, so I take this element whose length will be how much? Length will be dx. Okay, And if you talk about the electric field, y component is coming out of the plane like this. So we can find out the flux d phi will be what? Ey into area dA. So Ey is how much? Ey will be x j cap. So we have x, okay, and area dA will be what? Length of the strip is L, thickness is dx. So L dx. Okay, so flux phi will be L integration x dx. Again, the limits will be 0 to L. Okay, here we have x equal to 0, here we have x equal to L. So you will get this to be equal to again x dx will give you x square by 2. Putting the limit, you will get L square by 2. So this will be equal to L cube by 3. So flux through BCFG will be, sorry, this will be actually L cube by 2. L cube by 2. Now talking about the bottom face, ADHE. Field is going inwards. Okay. And these two phases have identical field configuration, but here field is coming out of the box, here field is going into the box. So negative flux, ADHE. So we can write down flux through ADHE will be minus L cube by 2. Hence, all the six phases have been solved.